Today we're making a delicious antipasto and barley salad.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister Laura and I share our favorite dinner combos. We love serving hearty salads for dinner, and this antipasto barley salad is packed with so many good things, like artichokes, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, and pepperoncinis. It's just me here cooking today. This dish has a lot of components, but it's one complete meal. So Laura is taking the week off. I've got a pot of salted boiling water here, and I'm getting ready to put in the barley. In case you haven't noticed, we're big fans of Mediterranean food. If you are too, make sure to check out some of our other Mediterranean food recipes. The barley needs about 25 minutes to cook. Once this is boiling again, we're going to reduce the heat to medium and just let it simmer away until it's done. I've got my trusty jar here to mix the dressing in. Put the chopped tomatoes in there, along with about a 1/4 cup of the oil from the jar. If yours doesn't have enough oil, you can use olive oil instead. Then add the lemon juice and zest, honey, red pepper flakes, parsley, and oregano. Give it a good shake. Get that all mixed up. I'm gonna give it a little taste, see if it needs some salt. You can add that right now. Yeah, maybe just a little. By the way, in case you missed something or you want to see the full list of ingredients, you can find the recipe in the description down below. Okay, we've got a couple more things to do before we can put this salad together. First, we need to go toast the walnuts. This will only take about a minute, so watch them closely. Once you start to smell them toasting, take them out of the pan. We're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. Then saute the fennel. You want this to get tender, but watch so it doesn't burn. It'll take about 5 minutes. Season with some salt. Let's check on the barley. I think it's about done, but we'll give it the taste test. Yep, ready to come off. As soon as it's tender, take it off the heat and drain it so it doesn't continue to soak up water. I like to spread it out on a baking sheet or plate so it cools faster. Okay, the fennel's done, so we're going to take that off the heat and we're ready to mix up the salad. In a large serving bowl, combine the cooled barley, walnuts, fennel, arugula, mozzarella, olives, artichokes, soppressata, pepperoncinis, and half of the vinaigrette. Toss it well so that everything gets that dressing on it. The reason that I only used half the dressing is that it can be very acidic, and some of the components can be acidic in the salad. So the best thing to do is serve it on the side, so if someone wants some more, they can easily add some more. Garnish with some fennel fronds, and you're done. That's our antipasto barley salad. Doesn't it look great? And it's delicious too. All those components of an antipasti in one bowl. This is a great salad. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for even more dinner recipes to try, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of the next video.